2 p.m. specific time for all of Vancouver and Vancouver Island, British Columbia evacuation. Alert: the big earthquake is going to start in 1 hour for all of Vancouver, British Columbia. Evacuation alerts: the big earthquake is going to start in 1 hour.
They lay dormant for years, waiting for the chance to appear once again. Now they're back, and they'll find you no matter where you try to hide.
The Meteorological Service of Canada now issued a warning of British Columbia and 3 volcano are active. Silvery Rhone and Miga. The Meteorological Service of Canada now issued a warning of British Columbia and 3 volcano are active. Silvery Rhone and Miga.
We're so glad to see so many of you lovely people here tonight. We would especially like to welcome all the representatives of Illinois' law enforcement community who have chosen to join us here at the Palace Hotel Ballroom at this time. We certainly hope you all enjoy the show.
Evacuation warning issued for Silverthrone and Miga and Garibaldi and Price because of 6 active volcanoes. Evacuation warning issues for Silverthrone and Meager and Garibaldi and Price because 6 active volcanoes.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. So we're looking over here around Kamloops, British Columbia, and we're looking around at Vernon, and now we're looking at Cache Creek.
Stillwater and Clearwater, British Columbia, evacuation warning: fires spreading out of control. The fire department is trying to put out the fire. Stillwater and Clearwater, British Columbia. Evacuation warnings: fires spreading out of control. The fire department is trying to put out the fires.
Swiss cheese and some bullets.
All 26 volcanoes are active. Evacuation warning of all British Columbia. Evacuate. Now all the buses are leaving. British Columbia, be careful. With the ashes they can burn you. Don't breathe the ashes. All 26 volcanoes are active. Evacuation warning of all British Columbia. Evacuate. Now all the buses are leaving.